All right. So for chapter 6, I'm just gonna do one problem from each section since there's quite a few matrix take a lot of time, but the idea is gonna be the same for all of them. All right, so let's look at problem 1A. So the given matrix, the first thing we want to do is apply the following row operation that says multiply the first row by half, which just means divide every entry of the first row by 2. So we have 2, 2, 2, 18 in the first row. So to divide each of these by 2, we're going to end up with 1, 1, 1, 9. So that's going to be the new first row of the matrix. So we end up with this. The next set operation says multiply the first row by -1 and then add it to row 2 and then replace row 2. Okay, so the first row, or multiply everything by -1. I'll get -1, -1, -1, -9. Then I'm going to add it to row 2. Well, row 2 is 1, -1, 2, 9. So we're going to end up with our new row 2 here. It's going to be 0, -2, 1, 0. So the resulting matrix we're going to get is 1, 1, 1, 9. We replaced row 2 with 0, -2, 1, 0. And then we have a 1, 2, -1, 6. Okay. And this is the resulting matrix based on these row operations. Right. And then those same techniques will apply for the next two examples. All right, now let's look at 2A. Let's get rid of this stuff for now. Okay, so 2A, we're given two matrices and we're asked, how did we go from matrix A to matrix B? And we're told to find that row operation. So in matrix A, to get to matrix B, we see that the second row was changed. The idea here is Gaussian elimination is being applied. And we know in Gaussian elimination, you want ones along the diagonal and then everything below it to be 0. So we already have a 1 here. So this 5 was basically zeroed out. So the row operation that we need here would be what? Well, row 1 is our pivot row. And we're zeroing out in row 2. So that means to replace row 2. So something is being multiplied to row 1 to do this row operation. Well, we see an A over here that we have a 5 in row 2. So to zero that out, we're going to need -5. So this is the row operation that would have been placed here. All right then.